My name is Heinrich from Giebel. We are specialized on breather dryers, and today I want to show you a solution from the series VVDV, disposable with valves. So you have a valve part which protects the desiccant against the unnecessary loading, but you have an easy to handle cartridge with the desiccant and a 3 micron filter, so you don't have to invest a lot of time in maintenance. You only have to remove the plugs and the caps from the threads. You put the absorber on your machine, and after the silica gel is full saturated, you will remove the cartridge from the valve part. You can throw the cartridge in normal household weight, or you send the cartridge back to us and we will refresh them. The valve part will remain on the machine, and you can easily use a new cartridge to protect your machine against the humidity. Thanks.